Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Porter County in northwestern Indiana, Central Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 3 p.m. At 2:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 2 miles northwest of Cedar Lake.
Will WGN tell them this?
Is expected. Expect wind damage to siding and trees. Locations impacted include Gary, Portage, Merrillville, Valparaiso, Cherville, Hobart, Crown Point, Chesterton, Cedar Lake, Griffith, St. John, Lake Station, Lakes of the Four Seasons, South Haven, Porter,
Nope.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has
Whoa!
warning for Lake Michigan,
Okay.
Michigan 5 nautical miles offshore to mid.
WXJ 57, by the way.
City, Indiana to New Buffalo, Michigan. New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan. Near shore and open waters from Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, showers and isolated strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 20 nautical miles west of Michigan City to 43 nautical miles southwest of New Buffalo, moving northeast at 55 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and large hail. Source, radar.
I think I read it as an unrecognized message. It's a 6-hour event as well.
Result in structural damage. These storms will approach the southeastern shores of Lake Michigan from Michigan City to St. Joseph, Michigan after 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Here are the 3 small hail. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Gary to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 3:45 p.m. At 2:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Portage, moving northeast at 65 knots.
Whoa.
Additional storms
65.
with small hail were in the area too. Hazard, wind 34 knots or greater and large hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Michigan City, Burns Harbor and Marina Shores at New Harbor.
And an unrecognized warning.
Northern Indiana has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan, Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan 5 nautical miles offshore to midline of Lake Michigan City, Indiana to New Buffalo, Michigan. New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan. Near shore and open waters from Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 3:46 Eastern Daylight Time. Showers and isolated thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 nautical miles northwest of Michigan City to 56 nautical miles south of New Buffalo, moving northeast at 55 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots, any size hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher wind and suddenly higher waves. Include New Buffalo. Bringing you the latest severe. Voters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Wind gusts to 40 knots. Small hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with these storms. Thunderstorm warning for Stark County in northwestern Indiana, southern LaPorte County in northwestern Indiana until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near North Judson or near Dunn's Bridge, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
He is willing to do this.
Locations impacted include Knox, North
Well,
Judson, Hamlet,
On the Sunset
Tokyo,
Strip.
Lomax, South Center, English Lake, St. Pierre, Salem Heights, Brems, and Grovertown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: LaPorte and Stark. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern White County in northwestern Indiana, southeastern Pulaski County in northwestern Indiana, western Fulton County, Indiana, northwestern Cass County, Indiana, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles west of Royal Center, or 9 miles northeast of Monticello, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rochester, Royal Center, Kewanna, Lighters Ford, Headley, Lawton, Bruce Lake Station, Grass Creek, DeLong, Lake Bruce, Star City, Thornhope, Bell Center, Buffalo, and Marshtown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Fulton and Pulaski.